Bangalore is India's fastest growing investment destination. The real estate market here has seen some exponential growth in the last 2 decades, and yet Bangalore's realty is considered one of the most stable market across the country. So much so that the realty prices have crossed a record high of 30,000 rupees per square feet in some of the prime localities. South Bangalore has shown a price appreciation of nearly 100% since 2010. JP Nagar, which was already high in 2010, has seen a price appreciation of nearly 33% since then. BTM Layout. The growing IT market around BTM Layout has pushed the realty prices up by 33% in the last 4 years. Bannerghatta Main Road is one such high potential localities in South Bangalore today. Significant investment in infrastructure, easy access to metro and nice road, growing social infrastructure, the booming IT market and the presence of organized retail with healthy transaction activity are now making Bannerghatta even more desirable. Bannerghatta today hosts all the major IT biggies, which has significantly fueled the economic activity around this area. Social infrastructure too is witnessing an increased growth with the presence of renowned educational institutions, hospitals and entertainment centers. Rupees 275 crores are being invested to widen Bannerghatta Road, making it a signal-free corridor. According to BBMP Road Department, the road will be widened from the existing 25 to 30 meters to 45 meters. Easy accessibility to Metro Phase 2 will make it the most sought-out localities in this proposed Kottigere station, which is just 2.5 kilometers from the Sound of Water. Establishment of Bangalore-Mysore Infrastructure Corridor, NICE, adjacent to the property has improved the proximity to Koramangala, Electronic City, Kanakpura Road and Mysore Road. If you want to cash in on the opportunity, now is the time to invest in the Sound of Water by Puravankara of Bannerghatta Road.